I have a good number of offers. I refuse all of them. People, they are interesting on me, of course, and but sometimes they are not the moments to make this type of decisions. It was a challenge for me to make understand Robert as a captain, Cristiano or Messi or Robert. They are different than the others. And we need to accept that, to mark my presence, you know it, to have a photo and to share and to talk. I think it's, we're losing time on that. It's not a question to be there.
After Albania, you said about Robert Lewandowski that he is making difference, but the team is not on the same level. Is it your biggest challenge to take whole team to level of Lewandowski?
It was a challenge for me to make understand Robert as a captain. You know, it's the level of Bayern teammates than it's different. The timing of playing, of training, it's different regarding mentality. It's important to his emotions, his way, you know, it's to focus and his expectations, what he wants to achieve. He need to be balanced, and because he influences a lot others regarding his energy. And you know, it's also when you have high energy, high expectations, are very demanding. Sometimes it's not the best for a number of players. For that, you need to try to balance the things, the frustration, you know, the demandings. And it was a big challenge. Today we are much more in the same frequency. And him, the team, me, the staff, everybody, and it's much easier on that. And I understand people, because people have different ideas, and this is understandable. For me, like I said, for me also it's you know, it coherent with my thoughts to saying naturally, because it's something clear. Everybody, Cristiano or Messi or Robert, they are different than the others. And we need to accept that. They are different than the others. And also, teammates, they realize that. You don't mean the rules on the team, they are different. No, they are the same. The characteristics of the players and the leverage, they are different. But the rules, they are the same. Because again, the main rule with me, it is the team, it's above of each player, it's above of each coach, above of each one. For the team or the national team, it's the one who coordinates everything. And what we do, it's about that, nothing else. But we have the difference. I think the biggest challenge, it was in the beginning to make believe our players we can compete with everybody, with our argues, and also to understand much more closely the quality of the players, to adapt the dynamics of the game regarding for what it's also the expectations of the game I want to see in all my teams and also in the Polish national team.
Is a challenge for you to work with him because he has in his CV Jurgen Klopp, Carlo Ancelotti, Pep Guardiola, recently Julian Nagelsmann. So this is player which can also have some expectation for the coach. So is it also a challenge for you to manage this kind of superstar?
Like I said, it's a big challenge because it's very demanding in everything, and we need to be prepared for that. It's not because he was already coached by others they raise already lots of success. But special for himself, about himself, because it's very demanding and it's very complex. For that, it's being part of that. It's amazing for me.
Is Lewandowski right now is the best player you ever work with?
Different than the other ones, but yes, because also it's also very demanding, Robert. Why he achieved that point? Because it's always asking questions. A guy it's already experienced, and when you dictate, it's strategically, tactically the games, you are always asking questions because you are thinking on football. You are thinking in a perspective of winning and understanding the things. And this make us, it also growing and to be prepared. And in that way, yes, in all the complexity, yes, because it do it everything. And yes, Robert in the national team, he works 4 or 5 times more than is in the Bayern. Also physically, so that it's very demanding, and in all this complexity, it was one of the best players we worked with.
And is he the best footballer that you ever met in your football career? You play with Figo, with Roberto Baggio.
I think the most complete player I played against, it was Zinedine Zidane. For me, I said it all the time. Technically, we played together, Roberto Baggio. Technically, it was amazing, but I get also the opportunity, it's in that time already. Gianluca Vialli, for me, it was already a striker, very modern, actual, very modern, like Robert, scoring left, right, header, very demanding, tactically very good, understanding spaces, working also for his team without ball, and Robert, it's on that page.
And at this time, is he the best football player in the whole world?
Robert, for me, it's the most complete in this moment.
So who will have privilege to play with him in the offensive line, because it's Buksa who is scoring, Świderski who is playing well, Krzysztof Piątek is coming back to national team, so...
All of them, they go to play with him, because we need to be always fresh during the match, like I've been saying. For me, and when Milik, it will be also on performing and playing, it's an extra one, because we could be with the best couple, up front. It's something I really believe from the beginning. It's at up front we have top players. We need to feed them. The team need to feed them, and the team, they are conscious more and more on this, and the results, they are there. We are always, scoring goals. We are always creating opportunities, and we always going to do it more and more and more. For that better quality up front of players we have, more capacity we have scoring goals, and more possibility we have to collect winnings. For that we need to refresh, we need to adapt, to understand they are quite different, depending for the moment of them, the strategy of that game. We take decisions, but we need all of them to be ready, to help us to winning matches.
Sometimes it's, to be honest, pretty hard to understand for us your decision.
Historii tego swetra i tak byś nie zrozumiał.
For example, Karol Linety, he didn't play for a few games, and then he is a first team against Slovakia. Kamil Glik is not playing in Budapest, then he is playing against England. Tymek Puchacz is not playing against Albania, then he is playing against San Marino in England. Adam Buksa, the same situation. At least he is in the first team of Poland against England. This is your way of coaching that you like to surprise, or this is your way of coaching because you are still looking new ways, new options?
I don't like to surprise nobody. I don't like to surprise myself.
But you did.
I like it to be. I like to be, coherent with my ideas and for what I see it, and the strategy for each moment of the game, and the characteristics of the players. I like to be loyal with my convictions. I don't do the things, to make happy players or make happy journalists or agents. They looking to push me to put this player or not. I spoke already about Karol Linetti. When we started to make the first call, it was with COVID. And for a while he don't play. For that we don't call him in that call. When he arrived for the European, also after this COVID, he changed of the coach in Torino. He don't play so often. For that we help him because when he arrived there, physically and also technically, it was the Karol he could deliver or the quality he have. For that, we help him, to be ready for the games. We think you could deliver well his job, his performance for the team, and it's always like that. And this is what happens also with Timek. Timek, it was the first time called for the national team with us. For that, it's something, it's completely different than Ribus or Retzer. 3 left backs, completely different one of the others. And Timek, it have a big potential. He have many things where he need to work, like the others, to improve. But he have things he can deliver to the national team. And we looking for the moment to integrate players where they can raise a level of integration in the game and interaction with others, like games we think we could handle better the situations like, for example, San Marino, and games their own characteristics, they be more used on the team than others players. This for me it's clear. And Glick, from the beginning, we want to build it up, and we spoke with him. Something very difficult for him. A player used to be always in the first 11 for more than 15 years. It's not easy for this player that moment. We try to make him understand our ideas. Game with the ball in our offensive organization is something he could not give to the team, what the expectations I have for the team. And also myself, I need to adapt the thoughts I have in the team regarding the players I have, to integrate players in certain moments on the game, like Glick, where Glick it's on defensive organization, not in all components. He make a big step. For example, Glick to protect himself, because he knows he's not so quick. But that to protect himself, it's always far away to defending deepness, because we show him in our perspective of defending, we can control better our back if we are much more marking our main opponents more closely, where it's one of our best defenders on that situation. For that, also behaviors and concepts of individually defensive, we need to integrate new things, and he changed. I think it was amazing the understanding of him. Amazing the moment he go in Hungary, the impact and the change of behaviors in these concepts, and what we request on him on that moment. And straight away he becoming in the first 11 also with Andorra, where we make a good number of changes, and we give him the stability, because it's a player. He brings us different things and and hopefully he can, you know, he can handle well his body, be always, you know, in good shape, to be elastic, mobile, always focus on the thing, to help us to get results, to get to be involved in the World Cup, and to make a top World Cup.
Coach, you are traveling a lot. You were in Germany, you are going to Italy. I know that you don't like this question, but I have to ask you because there are some opinion that you are not enough in Poland. And you said on the press conference that this is issue of journalists. I asked people on the Twitter, and it's not. People think the same as well. But the question is, do you think that you have to be in Poland more than you already were or not? Because there are not interesting players. There are not interesting players in Ekstraklasa.
Look, I don't think. Again, I think our decisions, they are quite good. Like I said, I don't do the things to make people happy. I do the things the best for the national team, first of all. And like I said, other points, I try to help and support the Polish football and the extra class, you know, to try to promote players. But the truth, I need to be correct for with myself, with my convictions, and for more I want to integrate players from extra class. I cannot show to the players they are in the national team. You know, they are losing one position from one player with a less characteristics, less abilities in that moment, you know, to deliver. It's not a question to be there. It's not a question. We have lots of resource to, you know, to have information by softwares, because we follow the players we think they could have potential and could compete in certain moments. We could think to have a call in the national team. We still have all, because this is something we are keeping working from the day one, after the meeting we made it from the day one with all the coaches of the national team, because they are not always focused on their group age, but also in the extra class. Also with Hubert, we have lots of experience with the Polish players who give us lots of feedback. To be there, to mark my presence, you know, to have a photo and to share and to talk. I think it's we're losing time on that, and we want to gain time. What it could be in the future, this is something. In that time from the beginning, after when I spoke with Zibi, and I already mentioned also to our new president Cesare, the importance to do it during the season, many moments, because this is something I would like to do it. It's to call probably once a month to have only players from the extra class, 2 days, 2 trainings, where to profit in these moments with all the coaches of extra class to come and to join us that 2 days, and we exchange experience to talk about football, to talk about the football, the Poland football tactics, you know, exchange experience. I think that it could give me the possibility to be much more close to them, where we can together connect and we can interact and to develop. I think it makes much more sense than to be there for the photo and to show everybody I'm in Poland, you know, to see the matches of extra class. I need to be fair with that. Sometimes people don't like, you know, you like to say the things people like to hear. But again, let me be myself. very frontal and honest with these things.
I think that fact that Paulo Sousa is working in Poland, this is good opportunity for some 2 or 3 young Polish coaches to take some experience, to look at him. Apart of coach Stolarczyk, there is no Polish coaches in your staff. And when Leo Benhaker he was in Poland, he had some Polish coaches which learn next to him, like Kaczmarek, Dziekanowski, Urban, Adam Nawałka, Rafał Ulatowski, few guys. Would you agree? Is it okay for you to perhaps take 1 or 2 coaches, Polish coaches, to your staff to cooperate with them?
I always worked with the staff he was involved already inside of the clubs. I'm a person of integrating people. First, then of course they will be evaluate in 2 ways. One, knowledge-wise, professionally, and mostly personality. Because like we said about players, we say about also staff. And staff, because if we want to be a family, the rules, it's not only for players, for everybody. And I think the integration of personalities, they are really important to make sure the things works.
You already talked with Cezary Kulesza, new president of Polish FA. Which kind of conversation was? Because you are a man who had really good relation with Zbigniew Boniek, right now become a new president. What can you tell us about your relation with him already?
Zibi, it was him, he bring me here. It's an icon in football, and it was him, only him, he convinced me to get this job. Very experienced in the football, and let me, pay a tribute in everything what he made it for Polish football and in the federation, because it's sensational. The way he organized the federation and the level the federation have on knowledge and also behavior of people works in Polish FA. With Cezary, from the beginning, he showed me straight away, to be together, to push me. Everything he told me, everything what I needed to ask him. Supportive. This is what he showed me from day one. And and I want him to get success, because his success is our success. For that, it's like I'm always saying, it's not one person he goes to have success. It's everybody. It makes part of the national team, part of our country. For that, each one you need to play a part. You need to give a part, to everybody to get success, and this success, it will be ours.
Tell me honestly, were you worried about losing your job? That was a thought that, okay, my patron is going out and right now I don't know what's going to be in the future?
No, at all. First of all, Zibi, he told me, one day he called me, straight away you will have elections in August. And for me, also from that moment, I realized I will, Zibi is gone and I will go away. It's not a problem. I'm a guy focused in my work with all my passion, with my convictions, and to deliver in the daily basis, everything. For that I'm not, and I thought, I thought because it's he have also the opportunity, Cezary to bring his own man, his own coach, where they can have good feelings with him and build it up, the success on the future. For me, it's I never thought. It's what I'm thinking, and I'm considered. It's till I'm a national coach. I will do everything in my knowledge, to deliver a great job where everybody recognize and be proud in the national team.
Is it true you had some offers, clubs offers? Because Zibi said something like Fenerbahce or something like that.
Yes, I have a good number of offers. I refuse all of them.
From which countries?
It's not interesting, to speculate.
It's interesting for me.
I can tell you all yes, because it's natural, Sebastian. It's natural. It's natural. It was always like that. The people who follow me and the people that are interested in the way I see football, the way I present my teams, the way I lead, the way I communicate. The people, they are interesting on me, of course, but sometimes they are not the moments to make these type of decisions. Hopefully, like I said, I'm really happy, and I need to always say thanks to God, because I'm being involved in something I love to do it with lots of passion. It's to be involved in football, but it's not the case now to talk this on this. I'm very focused in the national team. And I want to deliver till I'm being the national team coach. I want to deliver the best I have.